Can you hear me now? Good. Can you hear me now? Good.
Well, did you hear anything?
I heard that.
One evening, Minnie, Goofy, and Donald were invited to visit
Merle Haggard
at a magical castle.
So far, no word from our government about whether this is real or not.
Hi, I'm Clint Black.
And you're carrying a plastic baby.
Head to Burger King right now and get a
Ass whooping.
Shut up!
The following conversation is real. It took place on March 7th, 2003, between an OnStar advisor and a subscriber.
You want me to come over and kick your ass? Come on! Hey, now listen, I don't talk to your ugly ass anyway.
You better not want to talk. I put something in your ass. You will never forget.
You want me to come over there? I'll kick your motherfucking ass.
Stomp your ass. You can't say that.
You won't stomp shit with your own dick.
You want to say it, didn't you, Pop?
You ain't nothing but a motherfucking hoe.
Crazy ass son of a bitch. I know you crazy. I picked up the phone. Who are you anyway?
OnStar is available on the Chevy Trailblazer.
While supplies last. Results will vary.
This was identifiable electromagnetic emission from a UFO.
Woo! Yeah!
CNN Radio News, I'm Connie Cummings. President Bush will be transferred from Western North Carolina to Asheville for his first court appearance on charges of several bombings, including the Olympic Park bombing in Atlanta. And this is CNN Radio News.
Last year, Americans drank nearly 86 billion bottles of
Pep Boys.
Stool softener.
Head to the cooler section of your local Circle K and look for cold, refreshing
Pep Boys.
Stool softener.
What else do you need?
Square Easter eggs.
Sugar Bum Fairy, Sugar Bum Fairy.
Thank you very much, John, you old sod.
Fabulous. Woo!
Let's boogie! What it is?
People are
Funny, Wayne!
What makes Irish Spring this refreshing?
The good nutty crunch and a touch of brown sugar.
Just stop at the Purina One Pet Nutrition Center.